Happy Labor Day, fellow crafters. This is Johnny from Your Paper Pantry and Tabasco 14 from both YouTube and my eBay store. I am getting ready to send these out on Tuesday after Labor Day, and I was going to send them out today, but I just realized that this is Monday and it's Labor Day and they don't have any mail today. And as I was getting ready to box them up, I remembered that I had not done a video of the little mini pin cushions that I had made. And I actually have 9 of them here to swap out, so I thought maybe I would show them all to you. You have seen this one already. This is made out of a little wooden flower pot from Michael's Crafts. And this one has 3 different stick pins in it, as you can see, that sort of match the little pin cushion. Here's another one. This one's basically like an off-white beigey kind of a color. It's got a decoupage napkin on it and flowers all the way around, and a flower here, and then this fuzzy stuff. It actually looks sort of like a ice cream cone. And then it's got 3 really cool, right this way, stick pins in the top. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 you've already seen, and this one is out of Medicine Bottle. And again, 3 stick pins for the girls, whoever gets this one. And let me move these along so I can show them all to you. This one I really like. It is all beads hanging from it. It is decoupaged with a napkin underneath. And again, the big fairy top and 3 really cool stick pins. That's the 4th one. This one you've seen already also. This one is, can't remember. No, yeah, this one is a flower pot, and it's just all covered in felt and some little pom-pom trim and a bird. And it has those 3 stick pins. And let's see, I like this one. This one is has polka dot bows all over it, and it's got a napkin that's also decoupage, that's all polka dots. And the pins that I picked for this one are mostly red and white, or red and pearls. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm not good with this camera. There we go. Okay, and there's the 3 stick pins for that one. Okay, and then this little one is one of the smaller flower pots, and it has a napkin, and then it has some fringe all the way around with a felt flower that I made, and then 3 stick pins again. This one is decoupaged with some tissue paper that's actually like a zebra stripe. It's pink, light and dark pink, and has little baubles all the way around. You can see them. And it has the pink foo-foo fabric, and again 3 stick pins. Really cute. And last is this one, and this one also has a napkin, has a grosgrain bow running around it with a little rosebud in the back, and 3 stick pins. This one's really cool. It's actually pretty big. I'll show you that one. That was a pretty big one. So anyway, these are the little mini pin cushions that I made to swap for the August swap. They'll be going out probably tomorrow or the very next day. So come over to Your Paper Pantry this next month. We are doing ones with found objects. I should have actually brought some over here. I didn't, to show you. I will have to do another video. Oh, I do have some pin cushions here that we're getting ready to go in the box. I'll show you one of them. This one is made by Michelle, the mini scrapper. I want you to see how cute. She found a different, these I think are clay, I'm not sure. But how cute she did this. Can you see the ruffle? She also decoupaged a napkin, and she's got like organza or whatever, and her 3 stick pins that look like flowers. This is one of Michelle's, so one of you lucky girls will be getting this lovely one. She made 2 other ones also, but I just thought I'd show you that real quick since I had this video up and running. Anyway, I'm having the most wonderful time. As you all know, my son arrived here in August, and he's been helping me get everything organized and different things switched around all over the house. And anyway, we're having a great time. It's just been really, really wonderful, and I am really so happy and thankful he's here, you know, as a mother. And he makes me laugh every single night. He's definitely kept me busy. Anyway, I hope you all go over to yourpaperpantry.ning.com and check us out. This month, again, we are making pincushions out of found objects, smaller objects. There's lots and lots of great swaps over there to check out, and you don't have to join any of them. You can just stay and look around. You could join 1 or 3, whatever, so it's kind of cool. If you are one of my followers and you want to buy something, one of my fabric blocks from my store, my eBay store, please email me or message me on here first, and I will give you a small discount before you buy, so make sure you do that. It's under Tabasco 14. Have a pinkalicious day. No fighting, no biting, no thumbs down. Be nice to everybody. Loving is better than hating, and so much easier. Have a very safe holiday for the rest of today, and ciao, ciao, ciao.